Most common mix. Tenderloins here. Hello friends, thank you for tuning in again. Today I'm cooking butter chicken. Right here I have some chicken tenderloins. Usually butter chicken is cooked with dark meat. Before we get started, we need to make a marinade. So for the marinade we need plain yogurt. I'm adding some sweet paprika, turmeric. This is a masala mix I made a while ago. Put everything in there. So the spices we're using for this butter chicken has some mace, cinnamon. I see some white pepper, cloves, cumin, bay leaves, cardamom, coriander seed, and fenugreek. Of course you can use whatever you want. It's up to you how to make your mix, but this is probably the most common mix for any butter chicken or tikka masala. Or these are toasted a little bit. I can smell them already. We're gonna let them chill a little bit and then grind them into powder. That's what we're using for today's cook. All right. So now spices cool down a little bit. I'm gonna grind them. That looks good. It smells excellent too. A nice spice blend. So that's what we're using for our butter chicken today, okay? Pinch of salt, some lemon juice. Now we're gonna mix all this marinade. We're gonna add our chicken to the marinade. Mix everything. I'm just gonna do maybe 30 minutes, 45 minutes. And while this chicken is marinated, we're gonna start on the sauce or gravy. We're gonna use some ghee for that. Just clarified butter, a good amount. Now we add in onions. A good pinch of salt. Just cook until they're translucent. Then add some fresh pepper to it. Now we're gonna add some garlic paste, ginger paste, now I'm gonna add some Kashmiri red chili pepper, and the masala we made a while ago. Mix everything until it's fragrant. It's time to add tomatoes. I'm using San Marzano tomato, whole peeled. The ingredient that makes this butter sauce very creamy is the cashews. We're gonna let it simmer for a little bit. And then we can blend it to a smooth and creamy paste. Okay, our gravy or sauce been simmering for a while. Now we're gonna blend everything and make it into a nice smooth velvety sauce. Okay, we're gonna pass it through this strainer with your ladle and just go like this. This is a nice sauce right here. So water goes in. Now, here's our butter sauce. We're gonna go in. We're gonna add the rest of the butter. The heavy cream. This duck fat has a little smokiness in it because I used it in a smoker, so we'll add another layer of flavor to this dish. Now I'm gonna place these tenderloins here. And you don't want to crowd this pan. I have room for one more. That's good. Alright, now that our chicken is browned a little bit, has a nice color to it. It's not fully cooked, but we're gonna finish it off in the sauce. So we're gonna let this chicken simmer a little bit, finish cooking, and then a dish is ready. Basmati rice. Like I said, this is the perfect combination for butter chicken. Basmati rice. Here's our chicken. You see how we did? Oh, this sauce is very smooth and velvety, and alright, let's dig into this chicken. Get some rice first with the sauce. Oh man, this is good. The creaminess from the cashews and butter, and man, that's a good combination right here. A perfect bite right here. I would say dark meat is probably best for this dish. Don't get me wrong, the chicken tenderloin is still good, but I think dark meat is more forgiving. If you simmer it for a while, it will still retain some moist, but nonetheless, man, this dish is excellent. Very rich too, a lot of fat here. We had duck fat, we have butter, cream, cashews. Oh wow. This is good. It was a fun cook. I enjoyed it. The final product is excellent. I think that's it for this one. Like always, please subscribe, share, like, all that good stuff. It helps a great deal. And thank you for the support. Thank you for watching. Until next one, stay safe and bye bye.